In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon gift card, and it only takes about 5 minutes. Whether you've received an Amazon gift card as a present or you bought one for yourself, redeeming it is an easy process. Let's walk you through every step of the way to ensure you can utilize your gift card balance the next time you shop with Amazon. First, you'll want to head over to Amazon's website. Simply open your web browser and enter amazon.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, a key feature to take advantage of is their sign-in capability. Look at the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. This action will prepare your account to receive your gift card balance. Next, the sign-in page will prompt you to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Amazon account, then press Continue. This verifies which account you're trying to access and prepares it to receive any balances you want to add. Afterward, you will be asked to enter your password. Do this carefully to ensure you can access your account and then hit the sign button. If you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on your Amazon dashboard. Now, this is where things start getting exciting. On the top menu, move your cursor over Account and Lists close to where you signed in. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here, click on Account to navigate to your account settings. Within your account page, you'll notice several options displayed. Keep an eye out for gift cards and click on that. This section allows you to check your gift card balance and make any relevant adjustments, including redeeming any new cards you might have. Once you're on the gift card page, locate the option that says Redeem a gift card and click on it. You're almost there. A new window will appear prompting you to enter your gift card code. This is the code you'll find on the back of your physical gift card or in the digital confirmation email you received. Enter the code carefully, ensuring you include every character correctly. Finally, with your gift card code entered, look for the Apply to Balance option and click on it. This action will apply the gift card funds to your account, making them readily available for your next purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully redeemed your Amazon gift card. Now, the next time you're ready to buy something, you can use your gift card balance at checkout seamlessly. Enjoy shopping with your newfound credit and have fun discovering all that Amazon has to offer.